So how is your experience so far? Do you think the tech job market in Canada is very different from that in US and India?
Yeah, so I think so as far as India is concerned, honestly, I don't know. I left India a fair while ago, right? And from what I hear is that obviously a lot of these US tech companies have offices there, but India has a very blooming, tech ecosystem in itself. If you talk about Paytm, PhonePe, Zerodha, all of these companies, right? So I'm sure that there are a ton of opportunities in the Indian tech sector as well. What I would be able to do is sort of contrast the US versus Canada because that's more relevant to my experience. And what I would say is that there is no dearth of opportunity in Canada for people who sort of know their job and have a relevant skill set. And what I mean by that is, if you look at the job landscape in Canada, if you look at companies that are ops heavy, right, like Uber, DoorDash, Lyft, all of these companies have offices in Canada. Most of these offices are operations based, because essentially they want to scale their product in this geography. So you will find a lot of strategy and operations roles in companies like this in Canada. But then there's a University of Waterloo here, which has an extremely good computer science program, and it's called the mini Silicon Valley. They call it that. So there are a lot of companies that are actually moving there and setting up offices. So Google has a presence there. Like Google Cloud hires a lot of people. They are hiring here. Amazon is hiring a lot. Walmart has a whole office here which focuses on fulfillment. So does Amazon, right? So if you talk about US tech companies and their presence in Canada, obviously there's a huge presence. And like I said, having the right skill set, I'm sure that there are no dearth of jobs. But then there is also a Canadian tech ecosystem, right? So if you think about companies like Shopify is huge. Well Simple, Wave, all of these companies are growing tremendously, and there is always a need. Like even if I go to Wave's website right now, I'd find tons of roles for software engineers, for UX designers, for risk analysts, for growth analysts, for IT security folks. So there are quite a few jobs, but obviously let's talk relative scale. So you won't get the same number of jobs that you get in Silicon Valley just because of the population difference, right? So obviously the scale of jobs is less, but again, like I said, most people that I know that have a relevant skill set are all working. If you get your citizenship in around 3.5 years, uh, and once you do that, it's relatively easy to work in the US, right? There's a visa called a TN1 visa, and you actually get it stamped at the border, right? You just go there with an offer letter and they stamp. So there's a lot of cross-country collaboration also happening. Like
Good. Yeah, great to know that.
absolutely. And if you sort of zoom out a little bit, right, and come out of tech, Canada has a booming banking sector.
Okay.
It has a booming telecom sector. And some of these telecom companies are like doing really, really cool stuff in risk and otherwise as well. So as far as the industry and availability of jobs is concerned, it's not just in tech, but overall, I think there's a general impetus, and companies are now also realizing that they have to enter into this new world of tech stacks and building everything at scale and all of those things. So there's no dearth of jobs for people in technical roles.
Great. Thank you, Shaurya. It was amazing to know about your journey so far. And thanks for sharing everything with us so candidly.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you for having me. It was a fantastic experience.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.